Hello everyone, this is my E55 AMG from 2004. Now, I know what you're thinking. Just another schmuck on the internet who's bought an old crappy AMG.
Nobody needs to know. Surrender to the grief.
This part drives me really crazy. I don't like how this thing hangs down like this. It's just so uneven with that end. Rear bumper isn't latched on quite well, as you see over there. It's one of those things that I definitely have to fix, in addition to many other numerous things that I have to fix that we're gonna discuss in this video. So I posted a video about the E55 AMG a couple months ago when I went to see it, and it was one of those videos. It was kind of the only video in the past couple months that did really well. And to be very honest, I did want the car, but I couldn't get it for the price the owner was selling it for, and I walked away from it. I'm gonna link that video in the description below in case you're interested in checking out the video of the first time I saw it. Now, if you don't know, the E55 AMG was introduced in 2002, and what makes it interesting is this was the one Mercedes decided to fit a supercharger into. This in all its glory, it's a 5.4 liter V8 with a supercharger mounted to it that allows the car to produce over 460 horsepower. And I also get a plaque from someone who signed it. It's not too clean and it's very hot, so I'm not going to be touching that right now, but I'll show you guys the plaque on a much different day. Now, the price of this particular AMG was one that at the end I couldn't say no to, again to be discussed in the future. As I say that, I run out of fuel. The E55 AMG from 2003 to 2006 was the fastest four-door sedan in its time. Chevy. There we go. We're here at Walmart. Just need to This would be a good time to discuss everything that went on after I saw the car in the previous video. Like I said, I saw the car, made the guy an offer, not one that he took too kindly to. It was a bit low, so we deferred buying the car since he didn't agree and I didn't agree. But you know what? There was a mutual friend or a mutual party who was willing to buy the car at his agreed upon price and took it. And I was lucky he did, because at the point we reviewed the video, or we reviewed the car last when we went to see it, the consensus at that time was, that there was a lot of issues, and specifically the brake system, which was going to cost thousands to fix. And as we have it, later on, it turns out that the brake didn't have a problem. What was faulty was the battery system that ran the brake module. It was changed and everything was just reset and the brakes worked fine. However, being that the brakes worked fine, that didn't mean that there weren't other lingering issues, which I don't think we have time in this video to really discuss. What ended up happening was I traded a different car that I own, a car that many of you won't remember, a BMW for last year, for this one, and I paid almost zero. Well, not really zero, about $1,000, but getting this car for just about $1,000, being able to trade the other car, is huge. In the words of Ed Bullion, it was practically free. I did lose a car in the trade, and I'm glad. It was a good trade-off. I know the video is all over the place, and I apologize, but I'm excited and I'm running to get home to get something to eat. I wanted to show you guys the car so that over the next few days, as we start, you know, cleaning it up, getting it fixed up, fixing a lot of the issues, I can show you guys and talk about the car a lot more. There's going to be a lot of videos on this car. I hope you guys like it, because I do like it, and I don't want it to be a dud. I'm really hoping that this picks up and everything picks up. I'm enjoying it. So I think I'll cut it here for today. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.